Hello, it's me, Craig, here for my weekly weigh-in. Well, I did my weigh-in this morning. I did it very early this morning. Make sure it doesn't bang against the microphone. I weighed in this morning at an astonishing, but not too remarkable, 283.5 pounds. So that's a loss this week of only 3.3. Now, I'm saying only, not because I'm disappointed. Because it's the lowest amount so far that I've lost in a week. The first week I lost £14. The second week I lost £8. Third week I lost £6.5. Week after that £4, and then another £4 the week after that, then £5, and then £6 last week, and then this week £3.3. Now, it could be that I was starting to plateau, but I have to be careful because although the headline is the weight, I have to focus on the point of what I'm doing, which is to get better, to get fitter, to say bye-bye to diabetes 2, which apparently I was on just over the cusp of having. So my blood and my sugar has been perfect ever since I started this diet, to be honest. And I'm feeling quite positive about things. I'm wearing, you might be thinking, oh, why are you wearing that? You might be thinking that, you might not, but I'm wearing this waistcoat. So I bought this about 3 or 4 years ago with the intention to start wearing waistcoats more because I like them. I'm also wearing some trousers here that I put into a dark box and hid away because they didn't fit into me. I never thought they ever would fit into me again, or me into them even. But lo and behold, I tried them on last night and they fit, which is for me shocking that I can fit into these. So my waist size has actually come down 9 inches, maybe 10 inches. It's astonishing to me. It makes me feel really good. Where's the sun gone? Right behind a big cloud. Don't know what to do. Do I overexpose? Should I put it to auto exposure? Oh, there we go. I've shifted everything to auto, so the sky's disappeared. Sorry about that. I'm not very happy with this camera, I'll be honest with you. Where's my sky gone? It's blue sky and fluffy clouds. Anyway, I can't remember what I was talking about, so I will just talk about my overall weight. My overall loss now is 51.4 pounds. That is 23.31 kilograms or 3.67 stone. I'm struggling getting to that 4th stone. And I know I said not to focus on the weight, but the numbers do encourage you to keep going. If I continued losing £3 even for the next, I've only got 4 weeks to go. If I continued losing £3 for the next 4 weeks, that would mean I've lost just over 4 stone in a 12-week period, which is amazing. Somebody coming. I'm in a farmer's field. I really shouldn't be here. I'm just on the edge. I'm a bit scared of getting captured. Maybe imprisoned. It's gone. I think I got away with it okay. So, I've got 4 weeks to go and I'm kind of a bit worried. I'm worried about the process of eating proper food again, to be honest with you. And my rationale about it is that I will have these shakes available to me, and if I'm going to check, just keep checking my weight, and if I see like you're putting a little bit more weight on, then I'm just going to have to sort of go on like 2 or 3 days on shakes, I guess. I don't know, but I'm certainly not going to get back to where I was. I want to keep going. I want to get down to like 15, 16 stone, something like that, which is still a little bit overweight apparently for someone my age. Says the NHS. I mean, it sounds ridiculous to me, but that's what I'm told. I did have a little bit of a scare this week because I was getting like a pain in my chest, and I was getting alarms on my watch telling me my heart rate was very low. It was coming in at 54 beats per minute over an average of 5 days. 54 beats per minute, which is very low. Anything below 60 is like you should go and get yourself checked out. So I went and got myself checked out. The doctor said, "What else have you been doing?" I said, "Well, yesterday I had a lot of pain in my chest." "Were you struggling breathing?" "No, I was not struggling breathing, but I felt like very dizzy." And I think we worked out it's because I stopped taking some I'd missed two of my shake meals. And this is the thing. If you I missed my breakfast shake and then my lunch shake, and the result of that is I haven't had anything since 6 o'clock the previous evening. And that's, it's such a little amount that it's important that you take 4 shakes a day and you take them regularly. So the time now is 2 o'clock. I'm due to have another shake in an hour, and my body's telling me that you need to eat something. I feel hungry. It's called feeling hungry. So it's already on a clock. It knows. So I'm looking forward to having my shake. I'll go back in a minute and have it. But I don't know. I'm sounding a little bit down and low key about the whole thing, aren't I? I don't really feel that way. It's a disappointing, it's a disappointing number. But as I say, I'm optimistic. That even if I keep it something as low as that, I'm by the end of this, maybe I'll hit 4 stone. And as I say, you need to sort of monitor what happens after that. But it's still good. Still good. God, I sound really down. Anyway, I think I'm being a little bit more subdued because I'm out in the countryside next to a lane that is used by the public. That's why. It's very relaxing outside in the countryside. It could be that. All I can hear is birds twittering, and all I can smell is manure. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. That's the thing about now. We've got leaves on the trees, nearly full. All the crops are starting to grow. Rapeseed's up and running. We had a really hot day yesterday. Today's going to rain a little bit. Puffy clouds. And the birds are twittering, making nests. So spring's well and truly underway, and looking forward to the summer. And more than anything, I'm looking forward to get out and walking in the beautiful countryside here. This is Yorkshire, by the way, if you're wondering. I'm going to sign off there. Thanks for watching this ever. Let me know. I know a few of you, I've had a few messages from people who have been inspired because of my videos to speak to their doctor about taking up this diet. Very interested to hear from you and how it's going. Any questions, just ask. I'm only a small YouTube channel, so I've got plenty of time to speak to people. And, if you are doing it, I wish you all the best. Keep at it. Think of it. My main word of advice, not that anyone's asked me for advice, but my main advice would be that to think of these shakes not as a strawberry shake or a chocolate shake or a soup or whatever it is you're having. Think of them as medicine. They're there to make you get better and get yourself back on track. So it's rewinding your life so that you have a second chance at stopping yourself losing control of your diet. And for that reason, I think it's a cool thing. Anyway, I'm going to go there, and I'll speak to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.